Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Dell model and iDRAC firmware so you know which tools and updates apply. Once done, gather the serial number, OS media, and a static IP plan. This prevents mid-install confusion. Make sure remote console access is ready. You'll need it to mount ISO and watch post. Then enter the lifecycle controller or BIOS to set boot order and enable secure boot if required. These first steps ensure a predictable, supported installation path. You mount the OS ISO through iDRAC Virtual Media and set the server to boot from that virtual drive so installation begins remotely. Next, configure storage. Create a RAID with the PERC controller or choose Software RAID and align partitions to hardware for performance. As the OS installs, load Dell drivers and firmware updates to avoid hardware mismatches, and install Open Manage or equivalent for lifecycle control. Make sure network drivers and IP settings reflect. You finish by validating iDRAC and NIC connectivity, confirm management IPs, and that the out-of-band console responds. Then apply role-specific configuration, join domain, enable updates, install backup and monitoring agents so the server is production-ready. Run Dell diagnostics and check RAID health, firmware, and serial numbers. Document them for change control. If something fails, a key troubleshooting tip: roll back to iDRAC Remote Console, capture post logs and lifecycle controller logs, and reapply firmware matched to the exact model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.